Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to find password on your iPad or iPhone. To find a password guys, you can search for password app on your device. Just open it guys, unlock with your touch ID, and from here guys you can access your all password over here. You can search for, you can guys search for the website you want to find a password by tapping on it, and just search for any website guys like this. So yeah guys, this is how you can find a password, and you can also see your all passkeys, Wi-Fi passwords and other security password as well as. So you can manage your all password guys in this password application by the iPad or the Apple. So yeah guys, this is how you can find your all password. Hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more guys iPad or iPhone support. Till then, bye bye.